Number 1. 1978 Chevrolet Scottsdale, $1,750, Avra Valley, Arizona. This 1978 Chevrolet Scottsdale is a promising full-size pickup project powered by the dependable 350 cubic inch V8 engine and turbo 400 automatic transmission. The truck appears complete and includes an extra unused tailgate, which adds value for restoration purposes. Although it has been parked for years and will require mechanical work, these late 1970s Chevrolet trucks remain highly desirable because of their rugged styling, durable drivetrains, and strong aftermarket support. Number 2. 1981 Chevrolet K10, $4,500, Green Acres, Washington. This 1981 Chevrolet K10 is a classic four-wheel drive pickup with strong restoration potential. While the 305 V8 engine currently has a knock and the truck needs paint and tires, many important components have already been replaced. The completely refreshed interior, new weather stripping, excellent chrome bumpers, and rust-free rocker panels are major positives. Square-body K-Series trucks are extremely popular among collectors because of their tough appearance and off-road capability. Number 3. 1988 Ford F350 flatbed rack truck, $1,900, Hollister, California. This 1988 Ford F350 flatbed truck is a practical heavy-duty work truck equipped with a V8 engine and 5-speed manual transmission. The rack-style flatbed makes it especially useful for farm work, hauling, or construction use. Although the truck needs cosmetic attention and general restoration, it reportedly has a strong running engine and clean title. Ford F-Series trucks from the late 1980s are respected for durability and simple mechanical design. Number 4. 1972 Ford Camper Special, $2,000, Myrtle Creek, Oregon. This 1972 Ford Camper Special is an original full-size truck powered by the strong 390 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. Although the truck currently does not run, it remains a solid restoration candidate because of its originality and clean title. Camper Special models were designed for heavy hauling and camper use, making them tougher than standard pickups from the same era. Early 1970s Ford trucks continued to gain popularity among classic truck collectors. Number 5. 1963 Chevrolet C10 Longbed, $3,000, Redwood City, California. This 1963 Chevrolet C10 Longbed is a classic project truck featuring the original inline 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs but requires tuning due to backfiring issues, making it ideal for someone looking for a hands-on restoration project. Rust in the cab corners and tailgate is common for trucks of this age, but the overall originality gives it strong patina truck potential. Early 1960s Chevrolet C10 models are highly respected for their clean styling and collectible value. Number 6. 1988 Ford Ranger, $800, Klamath Falls, Oregon. This 1988 Ford Ranger is a simple and affordable compact pickup powered by a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission. Despite its rough condition and high mileage, the truck still starts and runs, making it an inexpensive work truck or restoration project. Rangers from the late 1980s became known for reliability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs. At this price point, it offers excellent budget classic truck potential. Number 7. 1948 Chevrolet 3500 Project Pickup, $10,000, Benson, Nebraska. This 1948 Chevrolet 3500 is a highly customized street rod project featuring major body and chassis modifications. Powered by a built 355 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 with headers and turbo 350 transmission, the truck combines classic styling with hot rod performance. Custom touches, including a chopped cab, narrowed suspension, Buick grille, and upgraded gauges, create a very unique build. Vintage Chevrolet trucks from the late 1940s are extremely popular in the street rod community because of their timeless design and customization potential. Number 8. 1959 GMC 3/4-ton Apache Fleetside, $10,000, Burien, Washington. This 1959 GMC Apache Fleetside is an extensively modified custom truck project with serious performance potential. The current 350 V8 engine already produces strong power, while the included turbocharged 5.3-liter LS engine build was planned for approximately 550 horsepower. Upgraded suspension, steering, brakes, and rear differential components greatly improve drivability. Apache trucks from the late 1950s are highly collectible because of their bold styling and iconic American truck design. Number 9. 1949 Chevrolet 3600 Pickup Longbed, $5,000, Greeley, Colorado. This 1949 Chevrolet 3600 is a true rat rod-style project loaded with custom performance upgrades. The truck features a 383-stroker V8 engine, 700 R4 automatic transmission, independent front suspension, power disc brakes, and dual exhaust. Although it currently does not run, the extensive modifications create a strong foundation for a unique custom build. Late 1940s Chevrolet trucks remain favorites among hot rod builders because of their classic body lines and endless customization possibilities. Number 10. 1957 Chevrolet 3100, $8,900, Colleyville, Texas. This 1957 Chevrolet 3100 is a classic American pickup powered by a 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed manual transmission. The truck is described as complete and solid, with the engine previously running before being stored for several years. Aside from cab corner rust, the body appears relatively solid for its age. Chevrolet Task Force trucks from the mid-1950s are among the most collectible vintage pickups, thanks to their iconic styling and strong historical significance. Number 11. 66 Chevrolet C60 Truck, $9,500, Chino Valley, Arizona. This 1966 Chevrolet C60 is an all-original snub-nose flatbed truck, powered by the durable 292 inline 6-cylinder engine and granny low 4-speed transmission. The truck reportedly runs and drives well while retaining its original patina and heavy-duty work truck character. The 17-foot flatbed and dual-fuel tanks add serious utility value. Medium-duty Chevrolet trucks from the 1960s are becoming increasingly collectible because of their unique styling and industrial appearance. Number 12. 1966 Chevrolet C10 Factory Shortbed, $6,500, El Paso, Texas. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 Factory Shortbed is a desirable project truck with excellent collector potential. Factory shortbed models are highly sought after because of their sporty proportions and strong customization appeal. The truck runs, stops, and already has several important new components, including brakes, alternator, water pump, ignition switch, and gas tank. Mid-1960s Chevrolet C10 trucks continue to rise in value thanks to their timeless styling and massive aftermarket support.